As humans, we live in a crucial time when climate change has started. We all know about it, right? It is not only climate change, but also pollution and deforestation. It's everywhere in this world, isn't it? It's honestly a bit overwhelming. But here's the thing, we can do something about it. And that something starts with education. Specifically, we need to spread environmental literacy, especially in schools. Leonardo DiCaprio once said, "We only get one planet. Let's protect it before it's too late." Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Yevgeny Asperda from Polytechnic Peretapian Indonesia Madiun. In this opportunity, I stand here to deliver a topic that is not only timely but also profoundly impactful on the fabric of our society and humanity. It is about environmental literacy. Now, you might be wondering, what is environmental literacy? Simply put, it's understanding how the environment works and how our action impact it. It is about learning why recycling is essential and also how renewable energy can save our future. And even simple things like how water conservation affect our daily lives. So why should we bring this into the school curriculum? Well, think about it. If we are not teaching our kids about these issues now, how can we expect them to fix the mess we have created? Schools prepare the next generation for the future, right? And guess what? The future involves facing some serious environmental challenges. Whether it's rising sea levels or air quality issues, students need the tools and knowledge to navigate all these things. But let's keep it real. Adding another subject to the school curriculum might sound like a headache, right? Okay, I understand. Students already have a lot on their plates, and teachers balance countless responsibilities. However, here is the truth. Environmental literacy is not about overloading anyone. It's not just another subject to memorize or test on. Instead, it's about equipping students with real world, practical skills they can carry throughout their lives. Think about it like this, the world is changing, and so shall our education. Environmental challenges are no longer abstract issues. They affect, in many sectors, our health, economy, and our future. Therefore, preparing students to understand and address this challenge is not a burden. It is a necessity. I repeat again, it's a necessity for us. What even better is that environmental literacy doesn't have to stand alone. It can be integrated into existing subjects in a way that enriches them. For instance, in science class, students can go beyond the basic of biology or chemistry and delve them into how renewable energy can transform our future. Geography lessons can explore how climate change and social and economic impacts, not just map location. Even history can reflect how industrial revolution have shaped our environmentally today. By weaving this topic into subjects, students are already learning. We could make education more engaging, relevant, and connected to their lives outside the classroom. Ladies and gentlemen, environmental literacy is not just about facts and figures. While it's so important to know the science behind climate change or pollution, how we translate that knowledge into action matters. We don't just want students who can decide environmental statistics. We want your generation inspired to make a big difference. Think about it. The choices we make every day. What we buy, what we consume, how we live, how we use resources, and also how we travel to another place is impact the environment. By fostering environmental awareness from a young age, we empower students to take responsibility for those choices, whether reducing waste, conserving energy, or choosing sustainable products. This is just a small things, but meaningful action can lead to a ripple effect. And when an entire generation understands this, I'm sure real change will happen. So to wrap this up, let's imagine a world, a world where environmental literacy is a core part of every child's education. A world where students grow up knowing that they have a role to play in protecting our planet, our Earth. Because after all, the Earth is our only home. We are at a pivotal point in history. And if we want a future where clean air and safe water or stable climate are available to all, we must act now. For every creator, every tree deserves to live in harmony. With meaningful steps and heart that care, we will save the earth from dark despair. Thank you so much for your attention. It's been a pleasure sharing this talk with you. Stay healthy, take care of the planet, and remember that every small action counts. See you.